This store is right catty corner to the Basilica corner right there. That's the ones with the good food. Putting them eggs on there. How long this is, right? Flavor hitting, yo. The flavor is hitting. This store is right catty corner to the Basilica. We're here on Ridge Street and Park Ave. And the store is actually right on that corner right there. Park Avenue Food Market. You good. Oh, here's the eggs. Putting them eggs on there. Yo, there was about 4 customers just got their stuff and left, man, but this place is steady busy. Alright, y'all, we got our sandwich, about to go out here and eat this joint.
My sister took over.
Is that your sister in there?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
My sister. This business has been in our family for 3 generations.
3 generations, y'all. How many years?
Yeah, about 42 years.
About 42 years you've been in business.
Yeah.
So y'all done seen like even Barringer High School down there. You've seen the transition. Yeah.
And all that stuff. I was back in the day, and now completely different.
Yeah. Kids still come here a lot?
Not as much as before.
What's going on, family? This is my second time at the Park Ave Food Market, and I'm back here again, man, because it was so good last time. I was looking at the pastrami, and I said, well, I know what's good. Let's try it again. Because y'all remember the last time I got that pastrami from downtown, and I was just not satisfied, man. Look how long this is, right? It's probably about, I wish I could put my shoe up there. It's a whole hand and about 1/4 of a hand. Let's check out this sandwich. It's like they pressed it, right? That's that chopped cheese, y'all, right there, look. That's that chopped Philly cheese. They call it an Italian cheese. That's what they call it. Italian cheesesteak. That's that Italian cheesesteak right there. Let's check it out. I'm making a mess already. Look at this. Can y'all see that? I just want to make sure that y'all can see that clearly. I'll be going too fast. Take it easy. That flavor hitting, yo. The flavor is hitting. It's packed with meat, onions, peppers. Definitely can't eat both of these right now. And you know, I think I told them mayo, but I don't see no, oh, there's mayo on here. Okay, it's got French fries in there too. See them French fries, y'all? Got them French fries on them. I should have opened it up before. I'm gonna pull a few of them fries off. I said cheesesteak, see that? Cheesesteak right there. And it's got peppers in there. This is good, man. This is good bodega food that you can get for under $10. I'm gonna close it back up. This is not the one I got before. This is the Italian cheesesteak. He asked me did I want ketchup on it. I told him no. But I wish I had got a little ketchup now. I didn't know they were gonna put the fries on there. So for y'all, for those of you who are out of towners, when we say a Italian cheesesteak or Italian something, Italian hot dog, normally you put Italian hamburger, you put potatoes on it. See them potatoes? And I'm gonna put a little ketchup on there, man. I gotta add some ketchup. But this is really good. I still got the whole other half left. That's the old other half left. I will eat that tonight. I got the sunroof open. It's starting to rain in here. I probably could have used a few more peppers too. I wonder if they have the hot peppers in there. See that cheese? Can you see the cheese on there too? I'm about to attack it from the other side, y'all, I know. Just that last piece. I got lunch and dinner. The whole total came up to right there. Where else can you get 2 meals for under $10? I love going to my local bodegas. I can always get a deal there. But don't buy no gallons of milk there. Don't buy milk at the bodega. Go to Walmart. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hang with the wrong people, but you're with the right cat now. I love all of you cats, man. I see y'all right there. I see y'all. I see y'all out west. I see y'all up in Canada. I see Chicago there. New York City in here big. I see New Jersey. All overseas, Southeast Asia. You guys have a beautiful day, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace.